Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Bybit account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bybit application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. After the Bybit application has been opened, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: login now, sign up. If you do not have the account yet, simply tap on the sign up option. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create the Bybit account for yourself. All you have to do is enter your email or mobile number. If you want to enter the mobile number, you can enter it without code, or instead of entering the email or mobile number, you can also sign up with Google or Telegram if you want. If you want to sign up with your email or mobile number, tap on this field. Now what you have to do is enter the credential over here. Here I'm just going to enter my email. If you have the referral code, you can also enter it if you want. Also, make sure the box for I have read and agree to Bybit's terms of service and privacy policy is checked. After that, what you have to do is tap on the option sign up now. Now you'll have to verify your email. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email, so simply launch open Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Bybit has sent me the email, so simply tap on it. Here you'll be able to find your unique security code. Simply memorize this code. Go back to the Bybit application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to create a password for yourself, so simply tap on the field of password. Now create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 to 30 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one number. So create your password accordingly. Now after you create the password, tap on the option sign up now. Now you can see over here your registration has been completed. You can proceed to verify your identity in order to start trading. If not, simply tap on the skip option. You can do it later. Now you can see over here your Bybit account has been created. So that is how you create Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.